Right, it is day 2 of my challenge of speed learning Python. Yes, yesterday I did fail to reach the 2.5 hour mark. I only got to the 2 hour mark, and yeah, it was my fault. But today is a new day, and I'm going to try again. I'm going to try harder. I did sleep quite well, so hopefully I don't get as tired, you know. But yeah, this is day 2. My goal is to make up for the time I lost yesterday. So instead of getting to 2.5 hours today, I want to do a total of 3 hours in the video. That's probably going to take me around 6-8 hours. Ich habe keine Ahnung. I have no idea how long it's going to take, but my schedule for today is clearer than what it was yesterday. Update. I did learn a bit more of Python, but then I stopped, and I'm going to postpone this challenge into next week due to personal reasons. So yeah, I'm not gonna work on Python or watch the video at all. It's just like a full scale stop, and next week I will hopefully be able to resume.